Welcome to another video by Abron Exports. This is about the echosounder. This is for checking the depth of the sea, or it will come on the app, or you can see the fish. Here is a manual is there. It tells you all the parts. The probe. This is a temperature probe. This is light for fish, and this probe is a sounder. It gives you the sound, and it has all the details. All the details are there. So this is auto temperature sensor, attracting fish, attracting lamp, sonar, LCD display. This is multifunction display. Here you can press it and it switches on. It tells you the temperature also. Now you see, and the display is there. You can see the display. It tells you what are the different parts, what are the different things available. Display, battery, other things. And then on the this app, it will tell you the depth. What is the depth? It will work with the Android phone or iOS phone, both of them. Scans, you have to connect it. It will connect automatically. Then it tells you there is a switches which you have to on, and then it connects to that. How to use it? It does not work if the air is pocket is there, or if the air is. It can work up to sea or fish. It will not work in bucket or aquarium or in a small water. The battery is there inside. You can see there is. If I can open it, I just show you the battery is there. The battery probes are there, and then there is a probe inside. It goes only from one side. It will go, otherwise it will not go from any other side. This one is a charging probe. You can use with the computer cable. Red indicate tells you it's charging. Green tells you the fully charged 5 volt DC. Now I have given a small, there is one plastic sheet here cover, so that when the battery is coming to you, it may be removed, it may not be removed. You can, there is a waterproof silicone safety rings are there. I can switch on. See this, fish will be visible, small, and depth you can see on the WhatsApp app. You can see on the app the depth, how much is the deep sea. It will work very well, and then it has connection, and it has sensitivity points. How much sensitivity is, how much sensitive this is, the percentage of sensitivity. And then there is an automatic, or temperature is in feet, or difference in feet or Fahrenheit or centigrade, and in meters. And then you can close it, and how much depth is there for the fish. It tells you. The manual has all the details. And then see, I just show you the temperature is coming 34.6, 31.4, and then on the top is the meter. This probe wheel is there, very easy to use. It tells you both fish as well as it is useful for the depth, for the sea or pond or lake. It will not, the minimum distance it needs is a 2.6 meter. It does not work below that. It tells you this is 2.6 meter, and this is a minimum meter distance is there. Please see the website or other users manual for details, and subscribe to our channel and share the videos. And this is our emails. This is our email, abron01@gmail.com or abronexports.com, and website, and this is my WhatsApp number 9416020001. Thank you very much.